Hey everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors. Today we are back at our friends at Budget Brake and Muffler out in Newton, or Surrey, British Columbia. And today Mason's going to have his crew putting on the MGP Caliper Covers onto our brake calipers. Really excited about these. These things are going to look amazing. They did them custom for me. They are Tremor orange with Fenrir, the wolf, running on the sides. I'm really stoked about this. So without further ado, let's get at it. All right, everybody, so this is a really important part, and that's for the rears on the 25 F-150 Ford Tremor. The caliper clip, the cover goes like this. It has to go in there and behind like so, okay? If you don't get it right, you're gonna have a problem. So this is quick and easy, actually, once you know how to do it. We were having some issues with it. I spoke to Elon. Thank you for the phone call yesterday and clarifying it. But yeah, so the clip, just basically, you're gonna drop it this way, behind the dust shield, so the rotor, dust shield, and then you'll see this right in there like that, and Bob's your uncle. All right, everybody, that gets the MGP caliper cover installed done. Thank you very much, Mo. You did a great job.
You're welcome.
Budget Brake and Muffler out in Surrey, Newton. Thank you so much for helping out with this install. It's a job that could have been done by me at home using the jack with the truck, but listen, your hoist is way easier. And Mo's awesome at doing this. I mean, we had some technical things to figure out, as I showed you with the caliper clips on the back. But that's, I think, probably through my conversation with Elon, is something specific to the 25 F-150 Tremor. But pay attention to the orientation where you're putting those caliper clips. All right, that's it for this, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot, Mo.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Take care.
See ya.